Good morning, dears. All are happy and energetic. Had a breakfast in the morning? See, today I prepared dosha and sambar. During the preparation of sambar, a small accident happened. The sambar curry is in the curry container and is boiling. Already I placed a steel spoon in it. Unknowingly, I caught the other side of the spoon which is away from the container. Oh, my hand got burnt. Can you suggest the reason? Yes, steel spoon transfers heat from the hotter end in the curry container to the colder end on which I touched. This is the first mode of transfer of heat called conduction. The transfer of heat from the hotter end to the colder end. Steel, mixture of metals. So, mixture of metals or simply metals, etc. transfer heat. They are conductors of heat. Instead of the steel spoon, if I place a wooden spoon, will I get a burning effect? Oh no. What is the reason? Wood is a bad conductor of heat. Wood is an insulator. So who are conductors? Who are insulators? The materials that pass heat through them are conductors. Metals are good conductors. On the other side, substances that do not pass heat through them are insulators. Example, glass, wood, paper, stone. All these are insulators of heat. Metals, remember, for example, we can suggest copper, aluminium, iron. These are metals. They act as conductors of heat, and paper, etc. are insulators of heat. So, conduction, transfer of heat from the hotter end to the colder end. Substances that pass heat through them are conductors. Substances that do not pass heat through them are insulators. Remember the examples also. Now, did you see the preparation of tea in a tea pan? Yes, our mother pour some water into it and start boiling. When the water starts boiling, what can you see? Hot water rises up. Especially in the middle of the container, the hot water rises up. And cold water from the sides go down. Hot water rises up, cold water goes down. This process continues till the whole water gets boiled. Okay, this is the second mode of transfer of heat, convection. The process of transfer of heat through liquids is called convection. Conduction, the first one, the second one, convection. See the process of heating water. Now you are asked to do a simple activity. Carefully do it in your home. Take a candle and light it. Place your hand on the top side of the flame as well as on the sides separately. How do you feel? Test it and inform in the next class. Do this activity carefully. First of all, placing the hand on the top, and in the second turn, we place the hand at the sides of the lighting candle. Okay, see what is happening here. See. Towards the top, the air gets heated by convection. On the top of it, we placed our hand now. The air gets heated by convection. Therefore, the hand above the flame feels hot. On the sides, there is no convection and air doesn't feel as hot as at the top. On the top, convection continues, we feel hot. At the sides, no convection, so we do not feel as hot as at the top. Okay, so convection is also a process of transfer of heat. There is the third way of transfer of heat called radiation. Here, no medium requires. No medium requires to transfer heat. For example, we'll get to the heat of the sun. The process taking place there is radiation. By radiation, we are getting heat of the sun. The third method of transfer of heat. We can explain it by doing a simple game. Conduction, convection, radiation. Can I share the game? Okay. In our class, we all are seated bench-wise, and I gave a box of chalk to the first bench. Asked to have each one's share and pass it. What will you do? One by one, without movement, the chalk box transfers to the last one. Wait. The second turn, each one is asked to come near to the table. Have a chalk piece, go back. Have a chalk piece, go back. Each one is coming and collecting his or her share and moving back. Okay, the third method. See, I am throwing chalk piece. Whoever can catch, do it. I am throwing the chalk pieces one by one. Whoever can catch, do it. So, the first method, chalk piece or chalk, moves silently from one student to the last one. Conduction. Second turn, each one is coming and collecting his share. Convection. Third occasion, I'll throw, please collect. Radiation. Concluding, conduction, transfer of heat from the hotter end to the colder end. Convection, through liquids the process is visible. Radiation, no need of a medium. That's all today. Thank you.